It's like a jet taking off. Hello everybody, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are unboxing this cordless vac. So I'm excited to do this product. I like using vacuums, especially cordless vacuums, for cleaning up small jobs and also cleaning out vehicles. So we're going to open this up, test it out, give my honest review, and see if it's worth giving a good rating. By the way guys, could you please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel? That shows YouTube that you actually like this channel and that we put out good content. And also, if you guys are interested by the end of this video, down below there will be a link in the video description where you can get this exact same one from a cheap seller, not a cheap knockoff. So go check out that link. And as always, in the bottom of my video descriptions I will have details of this product. So let's get started. Ooh, it looks like this is packed with some goodies. Looks like we got an extension with the brush on it. Here we got an extension hose. We got something. This might be the manual. Looks like that's the manual. It says different needs, outdoor, parties, rooms, whole bunch of other stuff in the manual. Here you got a nice carrying bag, so that's pretty handy. Here we got the front thin extension nozzle. Here you got the charging. So it looks like it is a wall plug-in charging. So that charges the unit. Here we got the vac. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, that's nice. That's cool. I like that. That's a cool design. So it looks like we have some tape blocking the power button, so I think you just pry that up from underneath it. So once we get that tape off here, we can show you guys. I don't know if the battery's going to be charged at all or not. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. It's like a jet taking off. I like that. So, let's show you guys it up close. If you're interested in this product, like I said, you can find it in the video description. So it's pretty simple. It looks like, you know, a lot of these vacs are designed similar, but this looks like it has a little more extra features than the cheap $20 vacs. So it looks like if you press that, you can open that up. That's nice. A lot of the cheap vacs don't have a button where you can open the actual front of it up. Press this button right here. That opens here, and here's your filter that you just pop out. So you pop the filter out, twist it, and there's the little filter. Put it back in, just twist it, and you're good to go. And to know how to put it back in, it's just as simple to follow the design there. Feels like it's got good suction. So let's go ahead and put this nozzle on. So just like that, you can use this extension. I tell you, cleaning this office up here, we probably could find a lot of junk. So why don't we test it out up here? Because we haven't cleaned the floor in this office for probably a good month. So let's see the different extensions we have here. So this hose bends a little bit like this. So let's see which side goes in. Okay, so this is going to be the side that goes in. You just want to twist it in, just like so. So we're going to use this extension for cleaning up. Now, keep in mind we didn't charge it, so it might not even be running on full power, but let's go ahead and let's test it out. Okay everyone, so here's going to be the final test to see how it worked. To see what stuff we actually got. So here we go. This is the off. Oh, what? Wow. Okay. Honestly, I gotta stop and give my honest opinion. When I was vacuuming, I thought, you know, this ain't gonna pick up anything. This is, you know, it's a nice looking machine, but it's not gonna pick up anything. Look at this! Look at that! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Well, if you have a dog, this definitely works great, because we have a dog. Wow. So there's probably going to be the one issue that I'm seeing right now. And that is dust and dirt getting stuck in the grooves here. Now, we're going to go and wash it and see how easy it is. But look at this stuff. There's dirt all over in here. This thing actually did a really good job of vacuuming. And I tested both extensions, this one and this one. This one really gets hair and stuff from the ground, from your floor. Now, we need to pop this out, because look at this, we even got bigger stuff in there. Wow. Okay. I have to say I'm impressed. We're going to go wash this and see if the dirt comes out and how easy that comes out. Okay, I am back, and after washing it, all the dirt came out of the corners. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it back in here. Make sure we have it in right. I think we had it the wrong way. There we go. So we're going to put it back in here, and we're going to turn it on just to dry the filter out. Don't forget, guys, you can also use it without an extension. Okay, my honest review. It's kind of funny. I really was not expecting it to do as good as it did. You know, as I was using it, you know, it's simple. You know, you don't have to hover, you don't have to bend down that far. You just reach down your arm about this length. So you have to just hunch a little bit to sweep, you know, your floor. And I was thinking, well, you know, this is probably going to be one of those products where I hate to do it, but I would have to give it a 5 out of 10. No, this little vac actually does a really good job. So much so that we're going to have to give it an 8.4 out of 10. Now that is an extremely high score for a hand vac from me. I rarely give hand vacs anything over a 6.5 because normally they're just not that good. This gets an 8, between an 8 and an 8.5 out of 10. I love the fact that it like starts up slowly. Most vacs, you know, as soon as you turn it on, it's like whoosh! This is like a turbo. I love it. You know, as a guy, I like that. But, you know, this has 100 watts power, so it's got plenty of watts. And that, we don't even know if it was fully charged from being shipped, so it could even have more suction power. Overall, extremely impressed. Let's check out the bag while we're here. So I'm probably going to use this in our kitchen, clean up our counter space, clean up our vehicles. So let's see, you have to if you put it inside here, that's the only downfall, you know, every company does this, but I wish a company would make a bag long enough that you could keep the extensions on, so the bag would be like this wide big, and then you could carry it with the extension still on, but it's not a big deal to take it apart. It's just every company does a smaller bag like that, but that's a nice carrying bag. Look at that. Yeah, I'm very impressed, guys. The link is in this video description where you can get this product from a safe seller, and I think it's worth it. I think it is very well worth the price. Take care, guys.